Welcome to the computer class. Today's topic is list in HTML, and as I've already explained you that there are three types of list: unnumbered, numbered and definition. The today's topic will be related to numbered list. Now numbered lists are actually the sequential list where the items are written one below each other, and in front of the items you write either numbers or letters. Like your list can start with 1 2 3 4 A B C D, and the letters can be in lowercase or in uppercase, and similarly you can also write the Roman numbers in lower and uppercase. Now let us see the few important points of numbered list. Now numbered list defines an ordered list, and the tag used for this is OL. From the name itself it is clear. O stands for ordered, L stands for list, and this is also a container element, like it requires starting tag as well as ending tag. And to write the list items, the tag required is LI. Now this numbered list or the ordered list take two attributes. The first attribute is the type, means what type of a list we are actually creating, and it takes 5 values. By default, if you don't give any any value in the type attribute, or you are not using an type attribute, the list will start from the from the numbers itself, 1 2 3 4 5, like that. Or you can specify the type attribute value as A, that is for capital A, small a, then capital I. Now capital I will display the list with the Roman numbers, and small I with the small Roman numbers. Now the another attribute is start. Now start attribute, it sets the starting value of the list. Like if I give the start attribute value as 5, so the first list item will be fifth. Like if the type is 1 and you give the start value as 5, so your list will start from 5 6 7 8 9 and so on. So we'll see the example of an ordered list, and the syntax of writing the ordered list is OL, then list item, define the list and close the OL. Again you can give the end tag for li, otherwise this will also work. Now let us see the coding. In this coding, write down the basic structure of HTML. You can give your specific codes, and then use the OL tag. If you see in the highlighted box, the OL tag is given. The same OL tag, the syntax which I have shown you in the previous slide. Now let's see the what will be the output of this. It will be displayed as 1 2 3 English, Hindi, Maths. Now second example of OL with type attribute. When you have to specify the type attribute in OL, you'll specify it as OL type is equal to A. Again write down the list item and close the OL. Now let's see in the coding. Give the basic structure tags of HTML, and in OL tag write type is equal to A, li for the list items and close the OL. Now let us see the output of this. It will be ABC. Your list will start with ABC. Now let's see some more examples. So we are giving example of OL with start type attribute and start attribute. Now the type attribute is A, and I've given a new attribute called start whose value is 5. So what will be the output now? It will be E English, F Hindi, G Maths, means our list start from the 5th alphabet. Now if I give the type as I, so what will be the output? Here again the start attribute value is 5, it will start from 5, 6, 7, that is the Roman numbers. Then if you give a small a, it will give as E, F, G. The fifth alphabet will. Then if you give a small I, your list will start with 5, 6, 7. So this is about the ordered list. Thank you.